welcome to my channel called Becoming Whole. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa Orlando and I do a mixture of videos, but one of my favorite things is fashion, and my favorite fashion designer is Louis Vuitton. So here I'm going to be unboxing the agenda cover. It's going to be a very quick video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I have been wanting this agenda cover for over 6 months, and I finally got it online at like 3 a.m. in the morning randomly because my friend was like, hey, they have it in stock. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. So I'm just going to unbox it for you guys. I had it shipped and I didn't get it in store. So it came like this, and I try my very best to just keep the ribbons on. So I will slightly slide the ribbon off because I sometimes use the boxes as like decoration on my display of shoes and stuff. So it's just sliding open. Comes with this envelope, and the envelope is just your receipt, your shipping label, and then it just says thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton, and it'll give you, like, if you want to return it, it'll give you the return label. Okay, so it's in the box like this, and it's going to be in this wrapper. I love the smell of new leather, but so mine is basically a planner, but I chose to do the one that didn't have spirals because I personally don't like the clasp in the front. So it's very bendy, flexy. It has space for your cards if you want cards. You guys, you can put other stuff. Let's see what this is. This is just, I guess, like a Louis Vuitton card. It's coated fabric, cowhide leather lining. That's what this says. And so you can stick your own binder in here, and you can put whatever you want in your binder, obviously. So I actually bought stuff from a custom shop on Etsy to put in my binder. So I'm probably going to do a video on setting up my calendar for 2022 and the type of stuff that I want inside of my binder. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple, nothing too over the top, but I really do like this because I write notes in church every Sunday, so this is a really nice go-to to take with me. And then I'm trying my very best to be super organized, and so I feel like this will motivate me to be more organized. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. This does fit the A5 binder from my understanding. But if you have any questions, let me know. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be posting more luxury items because that's what I like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.